Hi, good evening, guys. How are you doing all?
Hi Simar, everything is great. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you, Nikhil, Ashi, Ruchika, Pooja?
Wonderful, wonderful.
Wonderful, great.
I hope you all must have read the book on Kickstart Your Trading Journey with Forex Economy. So, starting with Ashi,
Yes.
could you please tell how was your experience? What all you read? What all learnings you had on that particular book?
Hello everyone. That book is basically about the introduction of forex market and trading. Uh, that book includes about the currency swap and different pairs and margin requirements, etc. Where currency swap, it can be said that swap involves exchange of uh, principal and interest in the market, and there are various currency pairs where we can trade forex trading, like AUD, JPY, which is a pair of Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Then we can get about margin requirements, get to know about trading margin requirements, uh, where we also learn about different types of working of currency pairs and their
Great, great, great. So, have you experienced this in live trading also? The things which you have learned through the book?
yes.
Great. So, Pooja, how was your experience?
My experience was great, wonderful, from the beginner to the intermediate. So I have learned many things about trading, how to set stop loss, target profit, how to earn money, how to deal when I will get lost. So all these things, even in the book, I have understood about the advantages in the forex marketing. What are the basic major pairs? How to earn money with that major pairs. So all I have experienced many things about this forex trading.
So could you please tell me some advantages that what advantages you read about the those?
Basically, in the forex trading, yes. Basically, in the forex trading, there is no minimum lot size. Okay, we can trade 24 hours. There is no minimum of the cost. Okay, there is no risk. Actually, the risk is, but it is at the minimum level. And they are very there the we can earn more money in the forex market because it is 24 hours available. There is free stuff everywhere. We can earn money through that. So all these are the advantages which we can earn, and it can be useful in the forex trading.
Great, great, great. So Ruchika, coming back to you, how was your experience and what were your learnings from the ebook which you have read?
My experience is great. I have realized one thing that the simple trading strategy is more enough to trade the market. We have to accept the stop loss, and the market is unpredictable. And I have learned the difference between forex market and the future market. Like the forex market is 24 hours market, and in future there in stock there is no 24 hours market. And like main thing is that there is no involvement of the middleman in forex market.
So have you started the live trading account?
Yes.
So could you relate the ebook with the trading which you are currently doing?
Yes, it's very helpful for the beginners as well.
Okay. Nikhil, up. No, you too, brother.
Hi, Samar. Yes. So basically, when I was reading the book, I found it very easy to learn, like very easy to understand, to grasp the basics of it. from what I would like to highlight is that the point, like when I'm trading in the market, if I'm taking a buy position, then somewhere in the world, someone else is taking a sell position. So if I'm aware about that particular person, which constitute about the players in the market, that is who all are trading with you in the market. So I would just like to like sum it up that there are first in the ladder comes are first in the ladder are the super banks. These are the big boys that trade in huge sums of money that we can not even dream of. Then there are large commercial banks, then governments and central banks, and then comes at the bottom of the chain are the retail traders like you and me. So we need to understand of how these institutions and big banks and big boys they work, how they trade in the market, so that we can make money on riding on their back. Then later on, I also it was a highlight. I would also like to highlight the history of forex that started that goes long back to the end of the World War II. Then the Bretton Woods system, and then how it eventually graduated and evolved to become the market that it is. A huge thanks to the internet and the 21st century globalization. So basically, also I would like to say about the speculators, that is the market makers. And I also learned a lot about the spread, that is the difference between the bid and ask. Like for example, if I go to a bank, if I want to go to for a tour to Europe, then I'll have to probably approach a bank and have to buy euro, and instead of against euro I'll have to offer rupee. So the bank will set an amount, difference amount, and this is called as a spread.
Correct, great. I can see that you learned and read thoroughly what all the book is all about, starting from the history to what the spread and the terms which you used. Great, Nikhil. So what do you think this book is all about? Like it is good for beginners, intermediates, or who are professional in trading?
See, I would say the language of the book is so easy to understand and comprehend that I'll say that this book is an overall, it could add a lot of value to each and every kind of trader. If you're a beginner, you will get to know all about the market, how it works, who are the participants in it, and how to start a trade. It will also give you few strategies, a few simple and workable strategies that you can use to start making money instantly. While on the other hand, if you're an intermediate or even an advanced trader, there is no harm in brushing up the basics. That is all I'll say. So overall, I'll say that this book is for each and everyone out there, and no matter what kind of trader you are, even if you're an experienced trader, even if you're an intermediate trader, but this will add value to your trading journey and help you grow in your trading career.
So one last question from my side. As I know that you were already trading into forex market. So what change have you seen before reading the book and after reading the book in your trading journey?
See, initially I did not much pay attention to the spread. Like I did not give much attention to the spread. I was like, like the market was in my setup. I used to take the trade, but now I take into the consideration the spread that I'll have to cover in order to earn profit. Because if I don't pay much attention to the spread, then what is happening is even if my trade is going well, but then the spread will eat away a lot of big chunk of my profit, which is not good. Obviously.
Correct. Great, Nikhil. So last but not the least, Amish, share your views on the ebook and the learnings which you have learned.
Yeah. So I was like from the beginning, I was fascinated by the fact like how does the global market works, and after reading the book, I realized the facts that for every basic thing, like for example, if we take import export, so if there is some product importing from India to China, so there is currency exchange, and if we travel from one country to another, there is exchange of currency at airport. So forex exchange currency plays a vital role. And I came to know about the various currency pairs which are being used, and about the king of the forex industry, that is US dollar, and why is it like the most used one and paired with almost all of the currencies. And also the forex market is open 24/7 globally, and the market value is almost $7 trillion, which is a large number. And this is due to all combination of big banks and big boys, financial institutions, corporate leaders, and the retail traders like us, as Nikhil said. And I didn't know anything about that before, so I came to learn about different stocks and indices and the basic terminology such as what is a pip, what is lot size, what is spread, and how to place order using MT4 platform, etc. Later on, I studied upon the psychology of trading, like how to balance your emotions, how to control fear, and like place the proper bets accordingly. And also the most major thing, fundamental and technical analysis. I found out that fundamental analysis is better than technical analysis as it is a old tradition and I like the way it works. And the one thing which I learned most is the code that like if you place a trade, if you lose, then someone other is winning. So the whole market is working all day, and it is better like if you learn and trade every day.
Great, Amish. We can see that we have an intermediate, the beginner Amish that who read this book and learned a lot. Alongside, we also have Nikhil who was already into trading and read this book and learned few things that he could improve in his trading and learn. So my last question to everyone, in the same order, out of 10, how much would you rate out of 10 this book to a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced person who is into trading?
I'd give 10 out of 10 as it has everything a basic normal beginner trader or any trader needs to learn about this. I have read this book and advanced in my trading journals and have experienced some good results in it.
Nikhil?
Even I'll rate it 10 out of 10 because as you have already mentioned, I am into trading and there was a few concepts which I already knew, but reading them I understood because these concepts are not easy to explain, and the manner in which it has been explained in the book is like very amazing, I would say. So that is the main reason that I'll give it 10 on 10 for a novice trader to read and learn.
Ruchika?
I will also rate 10 out of 10.
Great. Pooja and Ashi?
Yes, I will also give a rate 10 out of 10 because it is wonderful book about for the beginners as well in the intermediate and advanced level. So by reading this book, all can easily able to trade and earn maximum profit as well.
Great. Ashi?
I will also rate 10 out of 10 as I'm new to the market and I came to learn much about from this book.
Great. So we can see that everyone rated 10 out of 10. So I can think or assure that you would excel in your trading journey. And as I can see, you learned a lot from this book. So please, this was a theory knowledge, and I would request you to put that theoretical knowledge into practical knowledge. As Amish said, there was some technical analysis also done. So please do take care of those things and implement those things in your practical journey also. So that's it. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for sparing out of some time and sharing your valuable feedbacks. Any feedbacks from in the book like you would like to have, or would you like to suggest that this should be included in the book? Otherwise, we can wrap it up. No feedbacks? Okay. It's a perfect book for, I think, for a trader to must read this book. So thank you all. Wish you best of luck in your trading journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sima, for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.